Today's video is about this LED mirror. It's very popular. This particular LED mirror has so many benefits and so many features and has a smart memory. Stick around to the end. First, let's unbox the beauty and see what's inside. The packaging is sturdy. Ensure your mirror arrives in perfect condition. Inside, we have the bathroom mirror, mounting hardware, and detailed instruction manual. Everything you need for easy installation. Let's take a closer look at the mirror itself. This mirror adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any decor style, whether it's modern, farmhouse, industrial. It's perfect for the bathroom, vanity, bedroom, living room, dining room, entryway, or even above the fireplace. This mirror is built with 5mm copper-free silver, making it shatterproof, burst-proof. It's solid, sturdy, and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. One of the standout features is the stepless dimmable LED lighting. You can adjust the color, temperature, and brightness to your preference. Short press to switch between warm white, neutral, and white light. Long press to adjust brightness from 10% to 100%. Plus, it also has an intelligent memory function to remember your last setting. Ever struggle with a foggy mirror after a shower? Well, just press the anti-fog button before you shower and you won't have to wipe the mirror afterward. Now let's move on to the installation. This mirror is easy to install and comes with all the mounting hardware you need. You can choose to hardware it or simply plug it in. I choose to hardware it in this case. It can be mounted horizontally or vertically depending on your preference. Given the size, we're going to install it vertically. First, decide on the orientation. Then mark the mounting points on the wall using the provided template. Drill the holes and install the mounting brackets securely. Once the brackets are in place, hang the mirror and make necessary electrical connection. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Lucky for you, we're going to show you everything how to do this step by step. Only thing we're not covering here is the electrical connection because it may vary from my electrical connection to yours. And there you have it. The bathroom mirror is installed and looking fantastic with its elegant design, versatile lighting, and practical features like anti-fog and intelligent memory. It's a perfect addition to your home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.